Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can replace battery in this LED watch. This is a simple LED watch. You can see this battery has drained and we have to replace this one. It's quite simple. What we need is this small suction cup which can fit on this screen to remove this front part of this machine. As you can see, there is no screws, so we have to use this suction cup. And then we will need the screwdriver, as there are screws inside which we need to remove to go to the back part where battery need to be installed. And then you need this battery. You can see, if my camera can show you, 2016. This is the replacement battery needed for this machine. So first we're gonna start with the suction cup. You can use either on this side or this side, whichever you like. So just make sure you place it properly. It has screen protector on the front, which makes sometimes difficult. So it's placed there. You can gently just pull this one off. Okay, and you can see this comes out quite easily. Okay, now as you can see, here are screws. Yeah, I'm just gonna unscrew this. Yeah, so one is out and there is an other one on the opposite corner. It's covered under this double tape, so sometimes it's a little bit difficult to find it. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, so this is out. Now I'm gonna use this sharp knife to pull this out. Yeah, you can see it's quite simple and straightforward. And this is the battery. Alright, so it is locked from two sides. So one side is flexible, from where we can put this sharp edge. And this battery comes out. Alright, so before we put this battery in, you need to use this spring. So we have to peel this off so we can stick this one onto new battery. In some of these machines, this spring is already pasted on this side. In that case, you just put this battery in, so we don't need to do this. Okay, so this comes off quite easily. And just paste here. And there you go. Now, again, so we put this on fixed side first, and we just push this in, and you can see light is on. Now we're gonna just put this back in. So just place this button which just came out. Make sure you put this right direction, so it should be like this. So that's it. And we're just gonna put these screws back, and watch is ready to use. So we have placed both these screws in, and we just need to, you don't need this suction cup anymore. We simply just make sure you put the right direction again, and there you go. So battery is replaced and this watch is working fine again now.